Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a product page on Squarespace in just a few quick steps. This assumes you already have a store page. If not, create one under Pages first. Click the Add Product button in the top right corner of the Products panel under the Commerce tab. A modal will pop up asking you to select which store page the product should appear on. Click the drop down and choose your store page from the list. Squarespace recommends keeping all your products on one store page and organizing them with categories, so pick the main one. Next, you'll need to choose what type of product you're selling. Click Physical if it's something you'll ship, Download for digital files, Service for appointments or bookings, or Gift card if you're adding a gift card option. The product editor will open with fields specific to whichever type you picked. Now add your product name in the name field at the top. This is required. Below that, you'll see the description field where you can write your product details. Keep it clear and helpful for customers. Scroll down to the Images section and click Add Images, or just drag and drop your product photos from your computer. The images will upload and appear as thumbnails. You can click and drag them to rearrange the order if you need to. Next, move down to the Pricing and Inventory section. Type your price into the price field. Below that, you'll see a quantity field. Enter how many you have in stock, or toggle on unlimited quantity if you don't need to track inventory. If you want to run a sale, switch the toggle on beside on sale and enter your sale price. If your product has variations like size or color, scroll down to the Variations section and click Add. This opens a panel where you can set up different options for customers to choose from. If your product doesn't have variations, just skip this step. For search engine optimization, scroll to the Marketing section and click Edit. This is where you can customize the page, title, description, and URL slug that search engines will see. It's optional, but worth doing if you want better visibility. Once everything's filled in, hover over the Save button and click Publish. Your product is now live and available for purchase on your store page. To double check it worked, navigate to your store page in preview mode or on the live site. You should see your new product displayed in the grid with its image, title, and price. Quick tip, before you start taking real orders, connect a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal and set up your shipping options if you're selling physical products. You can test the whole checkout flow using Test Mode under Commerce and Payment Settings. Once you've confirmed everything works, you're ready to start selling. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.